what is GitHub? We can say that GitHub is an online platform where developers store their projects, right? So I'm going to quickly show you my projects, my GitHub, I beg your pardon. So this is my GitHub, this is my profile, this is my repository. So I'm going to quickly show you just one project. Okay. So when I open this, so this is my project. So this is my GitHub profile. Each repository you see here is a project. GitHub stores this projects online, so I can access them anytime. So this is it. So this is it, right? So back to here. So think of it like Google Drive for developers, right? Instead of storing photos, videos, and documents, GitHub stores coding projects. Developers use GitHub to keep their projects safe online, so they can access it anytime. Okay, so they can access their projects from anywhere, be it from Cairo, be it from Netherlands, be it from Norway. They can always access their projects anytime from any part of the world. So the beautiful thing about it also is that you can also share your work with other developers. There are friends that stay in the US, in the UK. You can just share them, and then you guys can work on a project together. Easy peasy. So for example, if I build a website, I can upload it to GitHub. Then I can access it from another computer anytime I want. Maybe my computer crashes or anything, I can access it from any computer. I don't have to be worried or try to think about what's next to do. GitHub have already done that for me. So another usefulness of GitHub is that GitHub is also useful when working with a team. So you don't want to start working with a team and then you tell them, oh, my laptop crashed and then I lost the whole project. So GitHub helps you keep all that safe in one place. Okay, so multiple developers can work on the same projects together, no matter where you are in the world, be it in Manchester, be it in Buckingham, be it in Norway, be it in Cairo, be it in Kenya. You can work on the same project together with any developer all around the world. Okay, so that is one reason why GitHub is so popular. Okay, millions of developers around the world use it every day. Okay, they used to write code and do stuff. So GitHub stores the codes for them, so they can get back to it anytime they want. Okay, so in simple terms, we can say that GitHub is an online home for your coding projects. You can just go there. It's like a box, so you can just go and then pick one project up and then start off from exactly where you left off. Okay, it's super easy to use. Okay, and that is it for what GitHub is. In my next video, I will explain the difference between Git and GitHub. So please, if you found this helpful, subscribe, like, for more simple tech explanations. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.